Ladies and gentlemen, as per the Seychelles Health Authority, all flights departing to Seychelles must be disinfected after the aircraft doors are closed. Shortly, flight attendants will be coming through the cabin assigned and disinfected. We would like to inform you that this is the exposure to the disinfected system. Thank you for your cooperation.
በመጸዳጃ ቤት ውስጥ የሚገኘውን የጭስ መቆጣጠሪያ መሳሪያ መነካካት ይከለከላል።
This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is not permitted at any time while on board the aircraft. Toilet. In the unlikely event of an emergency, take off high-heeled shoes, put them under your seat, and fasten your seatbelt. Hold this position for maximum protection until the plane stops. To open the overwing hatch, pull the handle down and inwards. The hatch opens out and up automatically.
በድንገት ውሃ ላይ ማረፍ ቢያስፈልግ የአደጋ ጊዜ መንሳፈፊያዎች በምስሉ እንደሚያመለክተው አይሮፕላኑ ላይኛው ክፍል ላይ ይገኛል። ከቦታው በማውረድ ምስሉ እንደሚያሳየው ዘለበቱ